Hi guys, I'm back to show you what I use to color my locks. I was trying to go back to a color that I had back in the day when I had my loose natural hair, but I got the color from Spirit Loves Locks. I'll link her video in the description box, but I just want to change it up a little bit. Okay, stay tuned. And yes, I did use the conditioner that came with the color. So I did apply 2 boxes to my head, and I did not color my roots. I refuse to color my roots. I'm not ready for all that yet. All done. I let the hair dye stay on my hair for like 30 to 40 minutes, I believe. I think 40 minutes. But let me let you know. Whew, child, my hair took a beating. I had to find all types of oils to get it all moisturized. But I worked with it. Y'all know I love color. And it was a little frizzy, but I can work with frizz. Frizz don't bother me, never has, and never will. But you already know, this color did not last long. I think I kept it for 3 months because I didn't want my locks to fall out. So after this video, I'm going to upload that video and process. Okay, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.